guys, it's Kaylee. In this lesson, we will learn how to calculate the area of triangles. Let's go! In our lesson on finding the area of parallelograms, we learned the formula A equals base times height. So for this figure, we would say the area is 3 times 6, which is 18. Do you recall that we can draw diagonals in polygons to create triangles? How many triangles can we fit in this parallelogram? If we start at this vertex here, I can draw one diagonal to this non-consecutive vertex. And now you see that I have 2 triangles. If I have 2 triangles inside of my parallelogram with an area of 18, what do you think the area of one triangle is? Yeah, it's half of that. So each triangle in this parallelogram would have an area of 9. So if parallelograms have an area of base times height, then triangles have an area of 1/2 times the base times height. Or we can write that as base times height over 2. Now that we know the formula for the area of a triangle, we need to be able to identify the base and the height on triangles. We typically call the bottom side of the triangle the base. The height is the distance to the opposite vertex at a right angle. In this right triangle, it's easy to see the base and the height. But sometimes triangles are oriented differently, or they are not right triangles. Let's practice some of those. So here you see we don't have a right triangle. So we have to pick a side that we want the base to be. How about this long side here? If I click on it, it'll show me that the base is this red line here, and then my height, you see, is a right angle and goes to the opposite vertex. And I can fill in the values here. My base is 8.93, and my height is 1.65. Let's do this example together. So if I see I'm using this bottom line down here as my base that measures at 11 inches, and then my height is here at the right angle going to the opposite vertex with a measurement of 4 inches. So I can say my area is equal to 11 inches times 4 inches, all divided by 2. So 11 times 4, that gives me 44. And since I have to multiply my units together also, I get inches to the power of 2. And if I divide that by 2, I will get 22 square inches, or 22 inches squared, for the area of this triangle. Nice work! Great job discovering the formula for the area of triangles. Practice what you've learned by playing the online games and quizzes. Have fun, and remember to always be clever. Hey, hey.